Your AI demo works perfectly. You ship it. 2 weeks later, users are complaining about wrong answers you never saw coming. What went wrong? You skipped the discipline that separates AI demos from AI products. Today, our season finale, evaluations. Welcome to Golden Concepts by Uplatz, where we teach you the few ideas that matter most in every technology. Let's start with the core problem. In traditional software, testing is easy. 2 plus 2 must equal 4, every time. Pass or fail. But AI is different. Ask the same question twice, and you may get 2 differently worded answers, both correct. Or one subtly wrong. How do you test something that never answers the same way twice? The answer is evaluations, or evals. An eval is a structured way to measure whether your AI actually performs well, not on one lucky demo question, but across the real range of things users will ask. Here's the foundation, the test set. You collect real questions your AI must handle, 50, 100, more over time, each paired with what a good answer looks like. This becomes your measuring stick. Every time you change anything, a prompt, a model, your RAG setup, you run the whole test set and see if quality went up or down. And how do you score the answers? 3 main methods, from simple to sophisticated. Method 1. Exact checks. For some tasks, code can verify automatically. Did the AI return valid JSON? Does the extracted date match? Did the generated code actually run? Cheap, fast, objective. Use these wherever possible. Method 2. Human review. People read the answers and grade them. The gold standard for quality, humans catch nuance that machines miss. But it's slow and expensive, so you can't run it on every change. Method 3. LLM as judge. Here's the clever trick the industry settled on. Use one AI to grade another. You give a judge model the question, the answer, and a scoring rubric. Rate this response for accuracy and helpfulness, 1 to 5, explain why. It's not perfect, but it's fast, cheap, and surprisingly close to human judgment. Close enough to run on every single change. Real teams combine all 3. Exact checks for what code can verify, LLM judges for scale, and periodic human review to keep the judges honest. Now, why does this matter so much? Because of a silent killer called regression. You improve your prompt to fix one complaint, and without noticing, you break 3 things that used to work. Without evals, you find out from angry users. With evals, you find out in 5 minutes before shipping. This is why mature AI teams treat evals like software teams treat tests. Nothing ships unless the evals pass. And here's the deeper truth. Your evals are your product definition. The moment you write down what questions matter and what good answers look like, every decision gets easier. Which model to use? Run the evals. Is the cheaper model good enough? Run the evals. Did last night's change help? Run the evals. Opinions become measurements. Here is your golden tip. Start embarrassingly small. Today, write down just 20 real questions with ideal answers in a spreadsheet. That's it, that's an eval. 20 examples will teach you more about your AI's real quality than 100 demos. Every serious eval suite in the industry started exactly this small. Let's wrap up with the golden concept in one line. You can't improve what you don't measure, so build a test set, score it automatically, and let evidence, not demos, tell you whether your AI works. And that completes Golden Concepts, LLM engineering. 10 ideas, from tokens to evals, the foundation that everything else in AI is built on. Subscribe to Uplatz, tell us which technology we should decode next, and as always, master the concepts that matter.